President Trump's administration has officially handed over the now infamous whistleblower complaint, and the acting director of national intelligence is set to testify before Congress in just a few hours. For what we can expect from all of this, let's bring in our favorite attorney, David Bruno. David, good morning.
Good morning.
This is going to be interesting. We're now diving once again into issues of national intelligence in front of Congress, where nothing is kept secret.
Yeah, absolutely. So on the impeachment front, let's start here. First of all, if he would have called me and asked me about that call, I would have said, don't make the call and don't say that.
Okay.
Right?
The language in the transcript.
Yeah,
you're talking
look
about
what we've
President
been
Trump
through
and
the last 2 years with special counsel, and you knew that the Democrats wanted impeachment, so why even give them an argument?
Okay.
But it was not a crime what he did. And we know that because of the Mueller investigation. We had the report from Mueller. Look to page 188 when it talks about campaign finance law. And in the Trump Tower meeting, the problem was you couldn't put a value on information. Hillary's dirt could not be a value. It couldn't be valuation. So here, it's the same problem. That's why the Department of Justice issued a statement yesterday saying that this is not campaign finance violation. But when we talk about impeachment, they don't need a crime. It's high crimes and misdemeanors, very broad. It's essentially a political question. So while they may get to the 218 that they need in the House to send it to the Senate for that hearing, it sounds from all the reporting yesterday that everybody is staying on party lines. And if that's the case, they will not get that conviction in the Senate, although they may get it in the House.
Okay. Yeah,
but be careful what you ask for because, you know, it's gonna be dragged out. It's going to go through their Democratic primary. Okay. And I think it's going to be bad for politics.
Let's talk about Joseph Maguire's testimony today. He's the acting director of the National Intelligence Agency. And so with him, is there legal jeopardy for him? Is there legal jeopardy for this whistleblower if indeed it turns out that the president didn't do anything wrong? You know what I'm saying? I'm talking like long term, but is there going to be legal problems for these two individuals?
I think two issues, right? So Maguire, I don't believe. I mean, they have a rational basis. They're making a legal argument that the president is outside of the National Intelligence Agency, and therefore that triggering statute did not apply. So I think there's a basis there. But as far as the whistleblower, no, he shouldn't be in trouble either. I mean, there was a basis as well, just based on that call. Well, you could look at various different channels today, and you will see two totally different opinions as to the call. So I don't think whistleblower could be in trouble. I don't think Maguire should be in trouble.
Let's move from politics to business, because Juul has certainly been in the spotlight. It's been a very rough week for that company. A federal probe now, 9 vaping-related deaths, and the families of these at least 9 victims, if not more, that have been harmed by these e-cigarettes, I'm assuming are going to lawyer up and go after the company. Is there going to be any bones left to pick of Juul when this is all said and done?
Yeah. Yes,
and do they deserve compensation? I mean,
probably. Okay. But is it Juul responsible? I don't know, because they could be aftermarket products. But there's a tremendous amount of attention coming to this, and I think it's important. Juul CEO stepped down. I mean, there's been problems over the last couple months with their possible misrepresentation during advertising and all kinds of health-related issues to these e-cigarettes. So that's going to be in the press, continuing, no doubt about that. But Juul's a huge company, and they made a lot of money. So I don't know if these deaths and these issues are really going to wipe them out.
Depends. Well, depends if the market wipes them out as well. David Bruno, a lot to go through.
And federal law could change to wipe them out, too.
Exactly. They've got everyone after them right now. All right, David, thank you so much.
You got it.
All right, Lauren, over to you.